Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove your tag from an Instagram post. Since some people be having tags from an Instagram post they don't wish to be in. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how all that is done. Just make sure you watch till the end of this video, cause the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening Instagram. And now that Instagram is open, you can see all these tools to work with, and now we are on profile menu, so this is where we are going to remove our tag. So simply go on the section for the tags. And now as you can see here are all the tags on our account, so simply click on the post you would like to remove its tag. And now that it's open you can easily come on this 3 dots in the right corner. And now that it's open, simply come and then click on the tag option. And now that the tag options are open, you can see all these tools to select from, so simply come and then click on the remove me from post option. And now that it's clicked, you can see that you have been given the final option, so simply click remove. And now simply go on your profile button, and then refresh. And now as you can see the tag is completely gone. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.